welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Rachel and I post everything skincare tips, product reviews and beauty content. If you're a returning subscriber, hi bestie, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. So on today's video, I want to put you guys on step-by-step skincare routine that is aimed at targeting your hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, clearing of acne scars and the rest of these skin issues. So if this sounds like what you're interested in watching, please kindly stick to this video to the end and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also make sure to drop a comment. Now let's get into the video. First step is cleansing properly. You need to ask yourself if you are cleansing the right way and if you are using the right cleanser for your skin type, because that is the mistake that most of you make. You go to the market and you see a cleanser and you just buy it, not knowing if it is for your skin type, if it's for oily skin, acne prone skin, combination skin or dry skin. You don't know if these cleansers are for your skin type and you just buy it. You're already starting out on the wrong foot. So to get a glowy skin, you need a gentle cleanser. A good gentle cleanser removes dirt, oil and build up without stripping your skin. So when you use the proper cleansers for your skin type, it's not going to strip your skin, it is going to maintain your skin, it is going to hydrate your skin, it is going to properly cleanse your skin. That is the first basic step to achieving that beautiful radiant skin. If you have dry skin, go for hydrating cleansers that contains the ingredients like glycerin and ceramide. So you don't need anything that is going to dry or strip your skin because your skin is already dry, so you don't need any drying cleansers. You need cleansers that will hydrate your skin. So this is why you need to add cleansers that contain ceramide, because ceramide is a hydrating ingredient and glycerin also is a hydrating ingredient. So this is the right cleanser for dry skin. These cleansers that contain ceramide and glycerin, these are the cleansers that you need to look out for if you have dry skin. For oily skin or acne prone skin, try a gel or foaming cleansers that contain salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a BHA that penetrates into the pores and cleans your skin. So if you have bumpy skin, if your skin is rough, if your face is rough, very rough, try cleansers that contains salicylic acid and it is going to help you to clear those bumpy areas on your skin. So now that you already know the cleansers to use for your skin type, the next thing is exfoliation. Exfoliation is one of the best and the most important steps in getting that beautiful radiant skin, getting a brighter skin, getting an even skin, and also like brightening your face in general. So if this is your aim, like if this is what you want to achieve, you need to add exfoliation into your skincare routine. One of the biggest secrets to achieving that beautiful radiant skin is exfoliation. Exfoliation helps to remove those dead skin cells that is making your skin to look dull and kind of uneven. So do you see how important exfoliation is in the skincare routine? So if you are looking to have that beautiful bright clear face, if you know that you want your face to be so bright and so clear, you need to add exfoliating products into your skincare routine. Don't just go and be using vitamin C serum alone and you think that your face is going to be glowing like sun. It's not going to work because vitamin C serum is a brightening property, yes, but vitamin C serum alone cannot just brighten your skin. You need to incorporate other actives like exfoliating products. Now there are two types of exfoliation, which is chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation is the use of chemicals like glycolic acid, lactic acid and salicylic acid to remove those dead skin cells from our skin, while physical exfoliation is the use of scrub to manually remove dead skin cells. Now for somebody that is looking to brighten their skin, to brighten their face, this is a face care routine. Now you don't need a physical exfoliation because physical exfoliation contain abrasive beads that can easily break and damage your skin. So you need to go for chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid or lactic acid because this chemical deeply penetrates into the skin to clear out those bumpy areas, those acne scars. Now you may ask, how often should I use these exfoliants? Your exfoliants can be used 2 to 3 times a week. For someone that is just starting out, you don't need to be using it every day. Never. Even if you are not just starting out, Don't use your exfoliant every day. It is going to destroy your skin. When I mean destroy, it will destroy your skin. You need to use it like 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week is the best way to use it for somebody that is just starting out. Then once your skin gets used to these chemicals, and gradually increase your frequency to 3 times in a week. Minimum of how you're supposed to use your products is 3 times in a week. Don't use it more than 3 times in a week, because if you are using it more than 3 times in a week, the next thing that you are looking for is damage, destruction. It's going to destroy your skin. So if you know what is good for you, use it 2 times in a week for beginners. Then once your skin starts getting used to it, then you can start using it 3 times in a week. And this exfoliant should be used during the night. During the night, I repeat, don't use your exfoliant and go under the sun. It is going to damage your skin. It's going to destroy your skin. The next thing you need to go in with after your exfoliant is hydrating products. A glowing complexion needs hydration. A hydrated skin is equals to a radiant skin. So hydration is very, very important while using exfoliant. You can use a hydrating toners or essence with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to plump your skin. Think of hydration as your skin glow boost. So hydration is going to boost the way that your skin is going to glow. For someone that is making use of exfoliants, you need something that is going to add a very good hydration to your skin, because you don't want your skin to be looking dry and flaky. And once your skin is looking dry and flaky, it is going to break your skin barrier and it is going to cause you to break out a lot. So if you are making use of this exfoliant, make sure to add a very good hydrating product in your skincare routine. The next thing is brightening serum. Now let's talk about serums that brightens the skin. A very good brightening ingredient is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that feeds dark spots and even out the skin. So vitamin C is going to brighten your skin, it's going to fade dark spots, and it will even out your skin in general. But one thing about vitamin C is the fact that it takes long. Like, you need to be very, very patient with it. It's not something that when you start using it 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you start your skin will start having that bright effect. It doesn't work that way. You can use it for like 2 months before seeing the effect of vitamin C. So vitamin C takes time to brighten the skin, but it actually works. Next brightening serum is niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to control oil, strengthens skin barrier, and also brightening the skin. So if you have acne, if you are dealing with acne, niacinamide should be your best friend. Your niacinamide should be like this. You guys should be 5 and 6. You don't even need vitamin C serum for somebody that is dealing with acne and someone that is having acne prone skin, oily skin. You don't need anything like vitamin C in your skincare routine at all. What you need is niacinamide. Niacinamide is your best friend. So if you have acne, make sure to stick with niacinamide. Don't add vitamin C serum into your skincare routine, because vitamin C serum is going to damage your skin. It's going to add pepper to the injury. A good brightening serum is alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is the gentle ingredient for hyperpigmentation. So alpha-arbutin is aimed at targeting hyperpigmentation. So if you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, alpha-arbutin is the go-to serum for you. After your brightening serums, the next thing you need to go in with is a moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to hydrate the skin, keep your skin plump, and helps to lock in moisture to the skin. But also make sure to choose a moisturizer based on your skin type. Like, these products have different skin types. So if you are choosing a product, make sure that this product is for your skin type. Don't go and be using products that are not for your skin type and it will be giving you what you ordered versus what you got. Because any product that is not for your skin type will not work perfectly on you. It will give you the opposite of what you are looking for. So make sure to choose a moisturizer that is good and good for your skin type. For someone that has oily skin, a lightweight gel moisturizer is the best moisturizer for your skin type. So if you have oily skin, go for gel moisturizers. These moisturizers are good for your skin type. Now for dry skin, go for moisturizers that contain ceramides, because this is the perfect moisturizer for someone that has dry skin, because it's going to add that boost and hydration that you need. Moisturizers helps to lock in hydration to your skin so that your skin can stay hydrated and radiant all day. So guys, last but not the least steps in this glowy, radiant, beautiful skincare routine is SPF. I don't know if there's anybody in this world that is doing skincare without applying sunscreen. Are there people like that? Please drop it in the comment section if there are people that do skincare and don't use sunscreen. Like, sunscreen is one of the most important steps. In fact, if you want to even clear your hyperpigmentations very fast, you need to make sunscreen your best friend, because it's going to protect you from the damage of the sun, because it is the sun that will hit your skin and your skin will produce melasma that will darken your skin. So make sure to apply sunscreen that is going to protect your skin from the damage of the sun. Sunscreen is very, very important in skincare routine. When you skip your sunscreen, all the effort that you've put in your skincare routine has all wasted. Like, all your effort has been wasted, and it is all your fault, because it is you that has refused to apply sunscreen. So when you don't apply sunscreen, your efforts are just as waste as nothing. Guys, for extra tips, make sure to drink a lot of water, eat a lot of veggies like fruits, and get enough sleep. Like, sleep. I cannot even overemphasize how important sleeping is going to boost the glow on your skin. Make sure to get enough sleep, and make sure to eat fruits, make sure to exercise, and keep your routine very, very short and simple and straight to the point. Can you guys see how this routine is very, very short and simple, straight to the point? So this is the routine that you need to follow if you want to clear your hyperpigmentation, target dark spots, brighten your skin. This is the routine that you need to follow. And that is all, my beautiful people. Make sure to follow this step consistently, and trust me, you are going to have that beautiful, brighter, healthier, glowing, radiant skin that you've been wanting to achieve. This step-by-step routine is going to help you to achieve that aim that you've always wanted. But one thing you need to have in mind is the fact that you need to be consistent with this routine. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, subscribe, and also drop your comment in the comment section. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to stay safe out there. I love you guys. Bye.